You are watching JU Nation Fishing.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Alright, we're gonna cheat today, guys. I got here late, so it's about 9:30 right now. So instead of trying to catch bait, we're gonna try to buy some bait first. We're gonna buy some giant minnow. What's happening, family and friend? This is JU. Man, it is I'm late today, maybe almost 10 o'clock. My fault, I couldn't get out early in the morning, but I'm very blessed. My big brother, Captain Chris, and my big brother, John, and Andrew, they waited for me. Since we're late, we're gonna try to get some bait first. So we got some big giant size minnow. If we don't catch bait, we're not gonna have to worry about it because it is kind of a late start. You can see by my background, we're chasing for a striper today. We're gonna take you guys along with us. So stay tuned, guys. Folks, we're trying to catch bait, but look at Andrew. He got a big striper instead. All right, throw him back. Too little. Đúng mà mình ngồi chỗ mà mình đâu. Fish on, fish on, fish on. You just got fish on.
Wait, don't tell him. No, don't tell him to do it slide on.
Don't touch it yet, don't touch it yet. Just when I do something.
No, wait until it pull.
Yep, don't touch it yet. Heard that? No, I didn't. You didn't hear it? No, I was. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Oh, that's fish, that's fish. Whoa, nope, that's fish. That's fish, that's fish. All right, you guys heard that, right? We got about to get a fish on right here, guys. Oh, you missed it. Oh, man. That was definitely a fish, but we missed it, dude. Darn, man. Oh. No, that's too early. Too early, that was 20 feet. Oh, still got it. Still got the bait. We'll be back.
Nó trả ra nè.
Yeah, oh, look at that, look at that.
Got beat up.
Look at that. It really, man, he almost got it. Almost got it. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. I got a fish on, I got a fish on, family, finally. Whoa, I got a fish on, baby. Whoa. Look at that. Now you stop. Oh yeah, I got you, baby. You stop. I got you. Yeah.
Finally, yeah, okay.
You stop. I got you, baby. I got a fish on.
Okay, tiếp tục.
Small one nè, mấy fish small
Oh
one.
man, it's probably gonna be like 13 inches or something. Oh, that is. Oh, man.
Coi chừng dây túi nữa.
Turn it on. Turn the camera on.
Oh, yeah, it's on. It's on. Yeah.
Skipper.
Hurry up, Captain. Your net is too slow. Man.
Lâu quá không được cáo giờ rung tay rồi. There you go.
Yeah, better keep it. Bam! Yeah, there, hammer! Bam! Bam! Captain! Bam! Hey, big brother John gotta get hammer going! Bam! Bam! Yeah! Ah, look at that, guys! Did it! Man, the lip too!
Finally.
Man, the lip! Man, I felt it run! That's how I get him. Felt it run! He went as soon as it stopped. It's at the hook. Man, learn it. Hey, thank you, brother John.
Man, don't worry.
Yeah, he stopped. I got him. What's happening, everybody? This is JU. My big brother, Captain Chris, right there.
There you go. Hello.
All right. And can you show him your bait? Look at the bait he's using today, guys. Hang on, let's show the bait right now. Captain Chris got the two big bait today. And this is a Sacramento pike minnow. And he's been trying to catch a 40-incher all day long with this. And I kid you not, man. This one is big. Look at it.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Look at my
It's
face.
like-
Look at my face.
Yeah, look at his face right there. Look at that. That is a huge one.
Yeah.
And then look at that one right there. This brother Andrew, he's using a bluegill. And look at this bluegill, guys. Look at this bluegill. It's a big old bluegill. Look at that.
1 pounder.
And by the way, he saved us today. Because, you know, I love my brother. They waited for me. I couldn't get out early. They waited for me. And then the first thing Andrew said, let's go buy some bait first. We might not catch any. So he bought a bunch of giant-sized minnow, but I showed you the last one. It was only 2 inches. And all day long we tried. He got a beautiful, fantastic takedown. Chew up all his minnow, but it let go. And of course, my big brother John right here.
The little minnow.
Yeah, he's his little bait right there. And he also got a nice bite. It chewed up all his bait and let go. Very, very last trip. We're about to go home. And thanks be to God, I got one takedown. Very patient. Thank you, Brother John from the McCullough River. Told me don't set the hook until it stopped. So I just let it run. When as soon as it stopped, set the hook and bam. We got a nice striped bass for you guys to see. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. There are a lot of good fishing videos out there. And so I always appreciate you guys coming to check out my channel. Until the next time, peace out. Woo! Bam! Look at this beautiful sunset, guys. California Delta. Once again, my big brother, Captain Chris. And I got a cool AI for you guys to see. Here's my big brother, John.
Hi.
And I'm going to make an AI for these guys. It's kind of fun to watch these guys. When you make an AI, they become superheroes, right? So you're going to see them become superheroes today, guys. So stay tuned and check them out. This is so funny, guys. The whole parking lot got flooded.